Do y'all want to say anything?
Make sure you subscribe.
Alright YouTube, we back with another tutorial. I ain't did one of these in a minute, but before you start any haircut, you just want to prep the hair, get it ready before you start cutting, and just make everything nice and neat. Alright, we're going to start this ball guideline for this mid-drop fade. Take it from the top and just drop it all the way back and cut off the C-cup because that's just not how I wanted this fade. And my guy Enoch here, he don't usually get a fade, he usually get a high taper and always come out looking clean, but he let me try something new just cause, you know, he trusts me, and I needed some content. Alright, so I was just like, man, let me do this on you, please. He was like, alright, man, go ahead. So appreciate you, Enoch, for letting me do this, and yeah, it came out clean. Now we're gonna do this lever open with the gold FX. We're going up about a ½ inch. And when you setting these guidelines, don't be scared to really dig into the hair, okay? Not pressing on his head and hurting him and stuff like that. Just make sure you have the guideline nice and set, okay? After that, we're gonna go with my gold one guy. I just got these. It looks so clean on the gold effect. But yeah, we're gonna use the one guy open, and we're gonna basically just keep the same width that we used for the lever open, and we're just gonna go up about another ½ inch. Make sure you keep it consistent and keep it clean. Alright, now we're gonna take our 2-guard open. You basically you're gonna bring it up and pull it out. It's like freehanding but with a guard on. It's basically just creating shape. I really don't know how to explain it, but yeah. So you're not digging in like you would with the one guy or the lever open. You're just trying to create shape. Now you're gonna pick it out. You're gonna freehand the sides because it is a little bit hangover at the top. So you're just gonna make that go straight up with the rest of the hair. Alright, now after you did that, it's a line between the one guideline and the 2-guard guideline. You're just gonna take your 1-guard open and go down on it, right on that guideline. Nowhere else, just on that guideline. After you do that, you're gonna clean it up by coming again back with the 1-guard open and just cleaning up that top guideline and just making it clean. After that, you know, you got the 0-guard closed, using your corners, adjusting as you need to. Now I got the wall 0-guard on here. I don't usually use it, but I wanted to change it up, okay? I wanted to change up my things that I use to try to get a different look. And yeah, so you basically just want to adjust your lever as you go. Just go hit the line with the 0-guard closed as much as you can, and then if you see the line go up, that's when you open that lever up. Yeah, just get it clean as possible. After that, you're going to use the lever closed. You're going to clean up that ball line. It's the same thing with the 0-guard closed. Keep the lever closed until the line comes out. And then if you see the line go up, you're just going to adjust your lever to how high you need to go. And you got to remember where you are in the phase. If you forget, it could be real dangerous. So just remember where you are in the fade That's why I love using guidelines. It keeps me like grounded. Now I'm just gonna dust them off. Keep your clients clean, okay? Just keep them clean. You know what I'm saying? They will appreciate it. Now for me, detail work, I always choose a different clipper. It gives you a different perspective of like how they cut. You don't want to keep using the same thing over and over again. So make sure you get different tools to do different things. But I use my Endless Masters because the blade is longer than the Fabulous Gold Effects. So it just gives me a different way of cutting the hair and a different look that I'm looking for. It just mixes up two different clipper types and gives me the finished look that I want. Now it's time for the lineup. Okay, now the way I prep my lineup, okay, I comb down the straggly hairs, what everybody calls it. After I comb it down, I take the one guard open or one guard closed, depending on who it is or how my client hair is, and I just go down on the edge up or the part that I comb down. After that, I'm gonna apply some holding spray, brush it down, and then apply more holding spray, and then blow dry. That's how I get that nice crispy. Alright, so if you want that crispy, do the same thing. After that, I'm gonna give y'all a dead on view of me lining it up. Basically, you're gonna plant it in the middle, go to one side. Now, I recommend you doing it like this. If you're right-handed, go to that right side first. So if you start on the other side, it's gonna be higher than the other side. Like I learned that my lineup is always crispy, but when I started on the left side, it wasn't straight. It was always one side was a little bit higher than the other. So if you're right-handed, start on that right side. If you're left-handed, start on the left side. That's just what I've figured out by doing this lineups for as long as I have been doing them. As you can see, the lineup is crispy without the enhancements, but we're gonna add enhancements anyway. Okay, we're gonna get this nice and clean. I don't recommend everybody doing enhancements if you can't get a lineup crispy and straight without enhancements. But after you get it crispy and straight without enhancements, you learn how to finesse lineups. Then you can add a little bit of enhancement and then just go crazy. You see me do a little bit more detail work. I always do detail work as I go. If I see anything that just pops out of nowhere. So yeah. Y'all gonna see how I blend this in too. Alright, so after you line it up, apply the enhancements, apply the pencil, you're just gonna hit it with the razor, and then you're gonna dust it off. Dust it off again, and then hit it again with the razor. That just gives it a super 3D, clean, crazy look. Okay, that's how I do it. That's how I've been doing it. And yeah, it just gives you a crazy look. Now I'm gonna take this napping cream paste, okay, put it on top, and go in a motion as if you're using the sponge, and then use the sponge and curl it on top. I think you can get this product from Walmart or somewhere, but I think I got it from a hair store. Now this beard, okay, we're gonna do the same exact steps with how we did the fade. So you're gonna do the lever open, the one guard open. Instead of using the two, you're gonna go with the grain, with the one guard open, just kind of fading it into the bottom. After that, we're gonna do this step that I learned from Big Blends. We're just using the lever open and going down on the beard line. It gives it longevity and by just knocking down the top part from the rest. After that, you just finish blending, knock out the top line with the lever closed, knock out the middle line with the zero guard closed, and now you're gonna treat it like how you would with the lineup. Use the hairspray, and then, you know what I'm saying, dry it off and stuff like that. And then you just finesse it from there. You should be keeping that line high as possible. Dust it off and just go in again. Just keep everything clean and precise. And then we're gonna use some more enhancement. Just get it all tight and enhance. You're gonna make the cut enhance. You're gonna hit it again with the razor. This is how you get everything clean. It's repetition, alright? Everything is repetition. You do it more than once, you're gonna get a better look. I'm just gonna speed up the other side because you already know what to do. Alright guys, that's the after. Let me know what y'all think about the cut. I think it came out super duper clean, alright? It's a new cut for my guy Enoch, new look. If y'all like the cut, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you learned anything, you're welcome. Thank you for watching. If y'all want more tutorials, let me know in the comment section. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video so other people can watch it and learn. But it's your boy Wavykid. I'm out. Deuces.